Okay, this Neptune dryer is running, but it is not heating. So I think it's a heating element, but I'm going to take it apart and see what it is. First we'll have to get the door off. Then we'll take this front panel off. But luckily it all comes apart from the front, and we'll see if we can figure it out and fix it. I'm going to show you how to take these out. There's 4 screws. There's here, 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 and this is where the door is on this side. But I'm pretty sure this vibrated loose, and that's why it's broken. So we'll try that first. I'll have to put it back together to start it or trick the switch. That part that I took off, and you can kind of see where it broke here, and the it corroded over time. That green is corrosion of the copper, and you can't feel it, but it's really gotten stiff. And then also you can see the corrosion came down in here, and where the strands are pulled apart by the corrosion, the resistance increases. When the resistance goes up, the heat goes up. You can see where it started to melt the insulation there, but it was worse here. These ends aren't shielded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some shielded connectors and some stranded wire, and then these are weather shielded, so I can actually heat shrink those, and I'll show you how that looks at the end. But we'll just build a new, better piece somewhere, so we'll try it this way. This is some 12 gauge wire that I have for the solar. Let's strip the ends. Okay, and these go in here. I'll twist this a little bit. So this is heat resistant, which is good. That's 12 gauge. And now these are weather tight seals, which we normally wouldn't need inside a dryer, but you know, Florida. So what we're going to do is crimp these on here. That's pretty tight. Sure. Okay, so I think those are going to be good. Now we'll shrink this part, and that should be weather tight. I have a heat gun that'll do this, but just rather than getting out the plugs and everything, this will work too. Just get this heat, kind of evenly apply the heat around it. You can see that tubing is shrinking up. There's glue inside of this. So this could actually be used outside. So maybe inside the dryer it'll protect that humidity. The other one lasted 20 years. So I don't think I will have to do this one again, I hope. Sealed piece installed. And that low point down there, you can see where water was probably collecting down here, but that's all sealed up now, so hopefully that'll be fine. It's running. Now we got to see if it's hot. So to do that, I'll take the thermometer out to the dryer vent. So what we're hoping to see is that there's some hotter than ambient temperature, and although this is Florida, you can see that it definitely is heating now. That's hotter than it is outside. So that's the dryer air coming out. So that's pretty good. So that's it. All fixed. Better than the new ones you can get. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.